Hey people, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to access the total game hours you have played for each individual game. Now first you want to access your profile, and you can do this in two different ways, and first is by pressing the PlayStation button on your control pad and then coming across to the bottom to your profile here and then coming down to profile. Or you can come straight to the top here and click your profile and then come down to profile. Now this will load up your profile. What you want to do is come across the bottom here to games. Now this will list all the games that you currently have on your PS5. So if you come down to the game here, you'll see this is Gran Turismo 7 and it'll tell you below when the last time you played the game, so 13 minutes ago. And if you look across to the right, it'll tell you the percentage of trophies that you have gained, and then to the right again, how many out of the total. And if you look just below this, it'll tell you hours played, and this is 2. But we've played 2 hours of Gran Turismo. Each game is all the same. So if you look below this, it's the same for Astral Playroom. We played 13 minutes ago. We've completed 13% of the trophies, so that's 3 out of 46, and there's been less than 1 hour played on Astral Playroom. And that's how to check the total game hours that you've played for each individual game on your PS5. I hope that video was helpful. If it was, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.